That's what I want right there. That's what I like. That looks good and solid. Sure what? It's like a little dog hair or something in there. Not sure what that's all about. So now all you gotta do is put it back together. That should be sufficient. So I'm listening to a radio station on the internet through the Dove called The Nail. And it's Christian, kind of more heavier music. Not your typical Christian music, but it's pretty good. Now, I'm going to zip tie here and tie these things back up because I had to cut the original one out. To make a little more slack. And my little nippers. So I'm not sure about your battery here. I don't have a tester. I'll just leave it here for you to figure out. Okay, so there's the repair. All 3 wires connected. Everything else looks good. Not sure, looks like somebody, must be from the factory, connected that originally. A little bit of circuitry in there of some kind. So we'll just put the cover back on. I stick all the little screws on a magnet so I don't lose them all. Just tighten up these screws. I don't know if I can test this out or not, but I'll test it to see if it works if I can. I can try plugging it into the sound system, but okay, I'm going to basically put this back in the case. And I'll take it downstairs and set up. Test it out.